Night illumination is an issue of innumerable countries throughout the world. Many find it expensive, while a few others don't have them at all. Imagine traveling at 1 AM in the night without any streetlights while you're cruising through the vacant roads, and all of a sudden a stranger shows up and bangs into the car. It'll freak the hell out of you. Well, at least I would have been frightened. Whenever you've got a problem, China would most probably have a solution for it. One Chinese city may soon rely on an artificial satellite to light its nighttime sky, and costly streetlights could soon be a thing of the past. By the end of 2020, the Tianfu New Area Science Society plans to launch an artificial moon to light up the night sky. If the plan goes through, the so-called illumination satellite would orbit above the Chinese city of Chengdu and glow in conjunction with the actual moon, but will shine 8 times brighter. The organization says it will launch 3 more satellites in 2022, potentially replacing streetlights in urban areas. The plans were announced by the head of the society at an innovation conference in Chengdu on October 10, 2018. According to Xu Feng, the satellite launching from the Xiajiang Satellite Launch Center will orbit about 300 miles, 500 kilometers above the city, and use its mirror-like coating to reflect sunlight down to the earth. Despite shining in a similar way, the satellite boasts one advantage that the moon doesn't. It offers human control. Both the location and brightness of the human-made moon can be changed, and that it can be completely shut off if necessary. And since the satellite is mobile, it can assist in disaster relief by beaming light on areas that lost power. The lunar project aims to cut down on costly streetlights in China's bustling cities by lining up just 31 square miles, that is 50 square kilometers of Chengdu's night sky. The mini moon could save the city an estimated of $174 million each year. The 3 follow-up moons though will be able to cover much more ground. The trio will take turns based on who's facing the sun, beaming light on the city streets. Working together, they'll be able to illuminate 2,000 to 4,000 square miles, 3,600 to 6,400 square kilometers for up to 24 hours. However, this is not the first time humans have tried to launch an artificial moon. In the 1990s, an unsuccessful attempt was made by the Russian Federal Space Agency to launch a similar reflective orbiter. After one of their satellites failed during deployment, they ended up scrapping up the project. Furthermore, people have concerns about the moon's impact on the sleep patterns of humans and animals, because it will inhibit the production of the sleep hormone melatonin. For more information about the relation of artificial lighting and our sleep-wake cycles, watch a video on melatonin, the body's natural cancer vaccine. The company clarified upon that and said, "We will only conduct our tests in an uninhabited desert, so our light beams will not interfere with any person or Earth-based space observation equipment. When the satellite is in operation, people will only see a bright star above and not a giant moon as imagined." Critics apart, but these artificial moons may bring an enormous change to developing countries because it will save them millions of dollars which would otherwise be spent on streetlights. If not, we'll at least be able to boast about having numerous moons instead of the naturally occurring one moon. Let us know in the comments below what you believe regarding the consequences of 4 moons instead of the current 1 moon. That is it for this video. Until the next one, take excellent care of yourself and have an awesome week. Goodbye.